All right, so we have the lightweight composite gun. Pretty simple construction with a little protector for the nozzle and the gun needle. This part is the fluid for the pressure feed, the whip they call it. This will help. There's a set of instructions as well as a pretty good chart on which air nozzle to use depending on the type of coating you're going to be spraying. So that's going to be important too for our knowledge base. This is a booklet, owner's manual so to speak. If you don't want to watch a YouTube video, you can spend your time reading the book. But a lot of good information on the gravity feed air nozzles. Looks like they come in a pack. I believe with the pressure feeds they double up, and the gravity feeds it's a single one of each. And so each one of these is color coded, so you can get the difference in sizes. There should be one distinct size per. It's like a 6 on the gravity feed, and they double up. I think it's 2 on the pressure feed. So you should have 2. Yep. So on the pressure feed, you have 3 different sizes and 6 different sizes on the gravity feed. Then of course you get your lids, 5 different lids. The connectors and plugs for the gravity feed. Get your cup. And then 5 disposable containers, and then finally your air pressure valve gauge. For the gun, which will let you know what kind of air pressure parameters you're using during operation. So there you have it. The contents of the kit. Our next step now is going to start putting it together and start spraying it.